welcome back to my channel. If you know, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you the fried meat pies. Without wasting time, let's just get started. For the filling, I've got here some green pepper, some onions, some cabbage, and garlic. I also have here some minced meat. My puff pastry sheets here, which I got from the supermarket. Obviously, I'll go ahead and cut them into triangles. I'll put a pan on fire and come in with about 3 tablespoonfuls of oil. Put in the garlic and fry it for about 30 seconds. Come in with the minced meat. Then with some soy sauce, meat seasoning, ginger powder, curry powder, and keep stir frying for about a minute more. Next, I'll come in with the chopped vegetables. Add the cabbage last because I don't want it too soggy. I'll just stir fry for about 30 seconds more, then cut off the flame and set it aside for later. Now it's time for the filling. I will take a triangle, put it on a plate, and come in with about 2 teaspoons of the filling. I'll line the edges with some glue. Now, this is a mixture of flour and some water. And it's gonna help secure it in place and prevent it from opening up when I'm frying. I'll cover it up with another sheet. With the help of my fork, I'll just seal it up. I'll put a pan on fire and come in with some oil. When it's hot enough, I'll just drop in the pies to fry. I'll be turning them over and I'll get them out when they turn golden brown. Here we are. These pies are delicious. You definitely need to give them a try. Try, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.